What's up, guys? Rico here. In today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning out my throttle body. Um, I'm experiencing kind of a rough idle, rough acceleration, and I think that the throttle body has a lot of built up oil in it. I haven't had a chance to buy a catch can, so I think that's my issue right now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and loosen up the bolts. And then after, we're gonna go ahead and remove any hoses that's attached to the intake. For this hose, it has a clip, so just be gentle. You don't want to break it. All right, I might have to use two hands, so give me a second. Okay, so the hose with the clip is kind of hard to pop off, so just be careful. You don't want to break it. And then you're gonna go ahead and come over here and loosen up this bolt as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and unplug this sensor. So just give me a second. I think I might have to need two hands as well. Okay, so after messing with it a bit, I went ahead and was able to unplug it. Just make sure you're real careful with it because you don't want it to break. Okay guys, now that I have removed the throttle body, you guys can see the buildup oil and debris. So yeah, this can be a main reason why you guys are having bad idle, bad acceleration as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get this throttle body cleaned out. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best and record. Okay, so the throttle body is looking a lot better now. I tried to clean it as best as my ability. You guys can still see, still has some stains, but it'll do for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to installing it, and I'll get back to you guys either once everything's installed or tomorrow morning when I take the car out for some hard pulls. But yeah. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention when tightening up the bolts, make sure you guys hand tighten them and don't fully apply hard pressure on them, because you guys could be taking a risk on cracking your manifold. So just a heads up on that.